Hello folks, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can convert your PDF file into a Google Doc. So first of all, go on Drive. Now click on this new, click on File Upload. Now upload any desired file you want. For example, I'm uploading my Atomic Habits PDF. Now click on this with right click on Open With and click on Google Docs. It will take a few moments. Now you can see it opened as a Google Doc. You can edit it, you can make any changes you want, add any text you want. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like the